how to disable extensions in Chrome on PC. This tutorial shows you how to turn off browser extensions in Google Chrome on your Windows 11 PC. First, open Google Chrome on your Windows 11 PC. From there, click on the puzzle piece icon at the top right next to the address bar. At this point, click on Manage Extensions at the bottom of the drop-down list. From there, you will see a full list of all the extensions currently installed in Chrome. After that, find the extension you want to disable and click on the toggle switch next to it to turn it off. In the next step, repeat this for any other extensions you want to disable. From there, once disabled, the extension icon will no longer appear active in your toolbar and its features will stop working. Once done, go back and confirm the extensions you disabled are now grayed out in the list following this. From this, if you want to disable an extension quickly without going through the full settings page, click on the puzzle piece icon again. From here, click on the three dots next to any specific extension in the dropdown and select Manage Extension. At this stage, toggle it off directly from that smaller panel without needing to open the full extensions page. After this, if you want to remove an extension completely instead of just disabling it, go back to the Manage Extensions page and click on Remove under the extension you want to delete. Finally, restart Chrome and browse a few pages to confirm the disabled extensions are no longer active or interfering with your browsing. And that's it. If this guide helped you disable extensions in Chrome on PC, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.